Hey guys, Papa Zara, welcome back to another video. Where today, I didn't expect to make this, but oh, I look so crazy. Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. So today, we're going to a waterfall. And I thought I would record a little moment. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but I hope you enjoy. And stay tuned because we're gonna kill her. Wow. Where? Yeah, can we hurry up, please? This like drops, but it's so pretty. It's so bright. This is so pretty. So, we had to walk. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. I'll show you in a second. We had to walk from the parking area to the actual visitor center because the road's closed. So it's like a mile of extra walking we have to do, and then we're gonna head to the trails. But I'll show you like videos of us, what we see while we walk, and like to like some nice music, you know, maybe some Animal Crossing. Pretty, isn't it? Wish you could see it in real life because it's even prettier. Look at this. Look at this cool stuff. These cool rocks. I don't know what I'm doing anymore with my life. It's so pretty though, like with some waterfalls. Jump in it. Got you. David, can you move, please? David, can you move? David! David's gonna fall! Let me see if I could do a freaking thing and I drop my phone. We've been seeing from Queens Come Kings like all over the place on rocks and logs and like they're like symbols and stuff, and it looks freshly painted, and I'm really curious about what it is. I think we're gonna look it up and like figure out what it is because it's like
probably nothing serious.
Well, I don't know, just like it's everywhere. Literally just saw this twice in a row. This is crazy. We're almost there. Look at the little chipmunk! Ah! Literally, the farther we go, the closer together they come. Like, but look at this view. Beautiful. Almost fairy tale-like. We literally came all the way down to go all the way back up. That's the adventure. Well, we made it all the way up here, and that's where we were before. I made it even higher. Feels great. So exhilarating, like. It's like a party or something going on down there. People? I'm gonna step away because I think they see me. We're back at our spot where we were before. We're heading back because we're done with the hike. It wasn't that big as we did last time. Last time we did 3 miles at another park. This is only 1.5 so far, but on the way back it's gonna be another mile. So it should be about 2.5, maybe 3 miles too. Just front and back. The other time we did a hike, it was just one way, 3 miles, but it was so invigorating. Like, I need water really bad, but it's so nice. Like, it's so pretty and serene. It's such a different type of content, like just me talking over like nature clips, like what? I wish I could bring you guys here with me and you could just hear nature, like just quiet. Oh, here she comes, my aunt. Paradise Falls, where the falls are the best. I was wrong. Those are caterpillars and they're like wiggling, unless that's like a spider's food nest, but like that's gross. That freaks me out. We made it back to where we jumped on the rocks earlier. Halfway there. Halfway there. And like I said, you're supposed to be able to drive down this route. So like, this is just more walking. But I mean, hey, you know, who needs a little bit more exercise? Goodbye. It was nice while it lasted. Now I need water. I just said the light at the end of the tunnel, like when Squidward was lost in the kelp forest and dead. We're on the way back to the car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you like this type of content. It's not really content, it's just nature with my voice in the background, like I said earlier. But I hope you enjoyed and continue to watch and support. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video, whatever that is and whenever it is to come. Bye.
Why you put it in
Instagram. Oh, YouTube.
Don't record our fight.
That'd be the best content ever. You got it'd be telenovela.